What's up guys, G-Man3 here, and I have a little magic for you guys also. This is my second video of magic, and I don't know, my brother Jacob's recording this. It's another coin trick. But I hope you guys watched my last video, and on this one, again, check out my friend Frankie's channel. He's got so many videos, and oh my god, I think he's got 33, but like he's got like funny ones, magic ones, but anyway, don't forget to check it out. But this trick, guys, is just a little fun coin trick. Okay, you're gonna need 2 quarters. All right, okay, you go over it, make sure to get them, and then when you're ready, they're in there. And dude, I don't got nothing on my hands, just these 2 quarters, same ones. So hope you guys enjoy. Comment, subscribe, and like on this video for free. What the? See you guys.